very simple technique can make your eyesight better. You can see more clearly, and it will remove your all the eyesight problems, eye problems, especially the eyes. You will get the healthy eyes. What you need to do, just walk barefoot on the grass every morning, yeah, and walk with mindfulness, just like this, so you can improve your eyesight, be better. And just walk like maybe 20 minutes. If you have something eyesight, you can improve your health. And this is very important because in our feet we have so many sensations, and whenever we walk barefoot on the grass in the morning, they have the dew, the small water drops on the grass, and it can make our whole health and very good for our whole body temperature. It is very important to connect ourselves with the earth, with the nature, because our body needs the nature as well. So try this technique now, everyone, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And please feel free to subscribe my channel and give me comment, and I will be very happy to see you in my channel. Have a good day and see you soon. I will be very welcome you again in my video. Bye bye.